Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this is Riya Kanji. Today I am going to show you this step-by-step Valentine's Day makeup look. So without much talking, let's get into the video. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and turn the bell icon to all to never miss another update. At first I'm taking Benefit Car Brow in the shade 06. With this I'm shaping them and filling the sparse area. Then I'm taking Anastasia Deep Brow Gel in the shade of dark brown and applying it to my brow hair for all day set long in place. Next I'm applying Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to conceal my eyelid. I'm applying it to all over my eyelid and blend it well with a small flat brush. Then I am setting this concealer with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Today I am using Revolution Patricia Bright palette. Next I am applying this shade called This Pink Poppin' to my crease and blending it well. Then I am taking this shade called Taste the Rainbow and blending it right under my crease. Then I am taking this shimmery shade called Love Song. I am taking this with my fingertip and applying it over my lid. Next I am using this double matte eyeliner by Sugar Cosmetics and lining my eyelid. Next I am applying Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer and applying it all over my face. After that I am taking Maybelline Super Stay Foundation and applying it to my face. Then here I am using NYB contour stick and applying it to my cheekbones, jawlines and nose area. Next I am taking Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and highlighting my face like under eye, nose, chin, cupid's bow and forehead. Then I am taking a small concealer brush and blending it well. Next I am taking a contour brush and blending the contour. I have switched to a small angular brush and contouring my nose. Here I am taking Maybelline loose powder and applying it all over my face to set my foundation and concealer. Here I am taking a big powder brush to dust it off extra powder on my face. Next I am taking this shade, this pink poppin, and applying it to my lower lash line. Then I am applying this shade to my inner corner and brow bone. After that I am taking this Sugar Mini Bronzer and setting this contouring area. Here I am using Sugar Mini Blush and applying it to my apple of cheeks. Then I am taking Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara and applying a coat of that to my top and bottom lashes. Finally, I am applying false lashes. I am taking this Revolution Soap X highlighter with this shade. I am applying it to the highest points of my face, top of cheekbones, cupid's bow, chin and nose. For lipstick, I am applying this Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte in the shade Touch of Spice, and top of it I am applying a lip gloss called Oh My Gloss by Rimmel London in the shade Glossaholic. That's it for today's makeup, guys. Here's the final look as you can see. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If so, please like and share this video with your friends and family. Please let me know your thoughts by commenting down below, and also let me know what you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Links in the description box below. See you in a brand new video soon. I love you all. Bye guys.